If your paycheck vanishes the moment it arrives, it's not a money problem, it's a system problem. Most people were never taught how to manage their finances effectively. Today we'll fix that. I'll show you how to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle simply, with no complicated finance talk. You work hard. You are not lazy. This isn't about your effort, but about having the right tools. The constant cycle of living paycheck to paycheck creates immense stress, shame, and fear. You're not alone. Most Americans face this challenge. You're simply under-equipped, and we can fix that. Let's start with step one, the three-bucket method. It's a simple way to organize your money. Bucket one is needs. This covers your essential bills, housing, food, and transportation. Bucket two is future. This is for your savings, investments, and long-term goals. And bucket three is freedom. Your guilt-free spending money for things you enjoy. Even small amounts into savings create momentum. Every dollar counts towards your future. Step two, automate protection. Set up automatic transfers the moment your paycheck arrives. Automation removes temptation. You won't even see the money before it's saved. Step three, shrink invisible leaks. These are the small expenses that drain your budget. Think subscriptions you don't use, delivery fees, or impulse buys. They add up quickly. Do a quick audit. Cancel just 2 items and feel the immediate relief. Step 4. Build an emergency buffer. Aim for a small $500 emergency fund. This small buffer provides huge relief, protecting you from unexpected expenses. Step 5. Income awareness. Understand your earning potential and explore new avenues. Growth requires earning awareness. Look for ways to increase your income even slightly. Escaping paycheck to paycheck isn't about perfection. It's about creating a sustainable structure. Even small changes build momentum. You're not bad with money. You just weren't trained. Now you are. Start today for a better tomorrow. Your financial freedom awaits. Follow for simple money survival guides every week. Let's build your financial future together.